Okay, so welcome back, and it's coming on nicely now. And all I've done here is added some dark aluminium to the airframe. And what's great about this is that building on the polished aluminium, which is what went down first, you can start to really begin to create things like the exhaust staining, which hopefully you can just about see underneath the airframe there. Just trying to get the light in the right place so that it's not obtrusive, but you can still see what's going on. So, well, maybe that's a bit better. A bit. Here we go. Yeah. So you can just hopefully see that that's you've got the exhaust staining, but you've certainly. What I've also tried to do is run the dark aluminium along some of the panels, so you get this nice. Just nice shading. I think it's subtle without being over the top. Bearing in mind it is 70-second scale, so I don't want to go too mad. Apologies about this lighting, it's a bit tricky trying to get it right. Yeah, so not a huge amount to do, I don't think. Not so much to do on the top surface, so I've kept that cleaner, because most of the exhaust staining that I can see in the pictures, well, most of the staining certainly seems to come on the underside of the wings from those great supercharger exhausts that are there. So what I'm going to do now is get the pale burnt metal and start to add some of this around the engine nacelles here, because certainly I found a couple of really good colour pictures on the net showing this squadron which had these B-17s, and you can just see that all around the cowls and back here is this sort of browny kind of hydraulic-y sort of staining. So that's the idea, is to try and create that next. So that's where we're headed now. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an insight into how we've got to this point so far. So let's get some pale burnt metal out, and we can see how that goes.